It was at that moment I said, I gotta come up with a game plan. I gotta rebrand, remarket, and bring the same great product with a new face. My name is Freddy from Saffron Rose Ice Cream. What was important to me is my grandfather started and created something incredible. I couldn't leave my uncle and my mother to struggle with all the responsibilities on their own. Unless someone stood up and took the next step, that legacy would be lost. That's when I decided to dedicate myself to helping my family and helping my grandfather's legacy. At first it was difficult because we are a family and it's a thin line between family and a family business. So there was so many times I had ideas that I was told no, no, no. Finally, one of those no's turned into a yes, and the yes pattern started and a lot of things fell into place. I came up with a full game plan and I said, okay, this is what we need to do. It all started with the remodel and the rebranding. New business cards, new logo, all that was the first step. We went from, like a small mom and pop to now we're getting, some good recognition. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I made it, but nothing's cemented. So I know that if I don't stay behind and I don't keep pushing, that all my hard work could go to waste. Coming in here and seeing all my customers so happy, talking about we love your ice cream, it's the only ice cream we eat, that's the motivation and the inspiration that I need that keeps me going. My dream is to have Saffron and Rose in every freezer and have accessibility to what my grandfather started. The sky's the limit. It's your dream. Own it with Vistaprint.